Leaving behind the chaos of deadlines and bottom lines of this fast paced world, I, Savita Hosamane, wanted to connect with the silence of the Himalayas on a trek. So join me as I explore the beauty of Himalayas, where the mountains and rivers become my mentors and the trails my teachers. So now the question arises, why connect with nature? Three reasons. So my three reasons of connecting with nature are self-discovery, introspection, and personal growth. So how do we connect with nature? Here's how it happens. Start by observing. Take a moment to simply observe your surrounding mountains, trees, and the sky. In viewing the mountains, we find humility, strength, and a profound sense of wonder which unites us with nature's grand celebration. Listen closely, tune in to the sounds of nature, be it the birds chirping or the leaves rustling in the wind. Engage your senses. Feel the texture of rocks, plants, and breathe in the scent of wildflowers. The sights, sounds, and sensations of nature naturally bring you to the present moment. In a trek, since a lot of walking is involved, pay attention to each step that you take, feeling the connection between your feet and the earth. And as you're trekking, find moments to sit beneath a tree, listening to nature's whisper as it brings a deep sense of calm and clarity. It is just a momentary escape to renew your spirit in just a few peaceful breaths. Sometimes, when you encounter a lake, it also evokes a sense of deep peace within you. Immersing myself in natural surroundings helps me to gain clarity on what truly matters to me. Spending time in nature helps me to tap into my innate creativity. In this trek, I had opportunity to see this stack of stones. Buddhists stack these stones as a form of meditation, focusing their attention on each placement, and they find balance in the process. Heading into the deeper forest feels like stepping into a world untouched by time. Each skull tells a silent tale of life and death, reminding us of the cycle of existence. In this ancient woods, I felt a connection of something greater, a whispered wisdom that spreads in the air. All this fills my being with joy. Sometimes we tend to witness the forest guardians, which the locals worship as the sacred gods. The intimacy with the trees is like forging a bond with our ancient guardians. Playing with the morning sun is like dancing with the golden warmth. The morning sun always leaves me rejuvenated and I feel alive from within. Experiencing unpredictability in the mountains is like dancing with nature's wild side. It kept all of us on our toes, and it is a reminder of nature's untamed power and unpredictability.
Yes.
As we move closer to this summit, we tend to appreciate the beauty around us, and there are many moments where we are thankful for the opportunity to experience it. Capturing moments that resonate with my being and also being mindful that photography does not distract me from the present is a tender balance by itself. The last part of the summit was the most challenging one, where it tested all my skills and abilities, and the amount of strength training that had been done. Pushing myself mentally was a challenge by itself, but the challenge was a sweet challenge which was overcome with lot of enthusiasm and happiness. As I submitted, I always try to find a quiet spot to sit and contemplate, allowing nature to inspire this inner serenity. This was literally the top of the world moment, and I jumped with joy. Tremendous respect for my guides Pankaj and Manoj, along with the trek leader Shubhankar. I thank India Hikes for making this a memorable experience. My three learnings from this experience was As I navigated the rugged terrain, I encountered challenges within myself. Each step became a meditation, and each breath was a reminder of my resilience. In the silence of these mountains, I found clarity. I realized that success isn't about climbing higher and higher, it's all about finding balance and nurturing the inner spirit and energy. In the heart of the Himalayas, I found a renewed sense of purpose, a deeper understanding of myself. I came back to the meditation center, spending my time in the Holy Ganges was a spiritual connection that will guide me long, long, and the journey never stops. Yes, this trek provided a break from the demands of modern life and allowed me to return to my daily routine feeling refreshed and revitalized.